Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and resonating with the readings. So let's start. I have kept two cards today. That's the Angels of Atlantis, and this is another Angels card. It's a general reading which I'm going to do. Chakra clearing. So here it says that you need to clear upon your chakra. So maybe a lot of blockages and a lot of obstacles because of which the chakras are blocked. So maybe in the recent past few things have been happening because of which your energies are blocked. So focus on the chakra clearing, focus on your healing. And what happens when you do that? Now that's a beautiful card. Prosperity comes your way and all your material needs will be fulfilled. Now for this, I would like to share one small tip. What you can do is sit wherever you're free and you will not be disturbed, and just close your eyes and just say, Archangel Ariel, I would love to get blessings from you in abundance and prosperity. And imagine that Archangel Ariel from the top is throwing a nice dust of gold on top of you, covering your whole aura. I'm sorry, I had to pause. So imagine a nice golden dust falling on top of you. The Archangel Ariel is, just sprinkling on top beautiful golden dust which is covering your aura completely, and you will see energies magical around you. Now let's see what the Angel of Atlantis has in store for you. Okay, now that's a beautiful card, Annual and Willpower. So today, at any point of time, if you feel you're losing it or your confidence is going away, just call on him and tell him, I would love to get your confidence. I would love to get your blessings so that I get my willpower. Today, wear the color red, and today in the morning, 108 times, chant the mantra Om. Before you start your day, wear the color red, chant the mantra Om 108 times, and in the evening, while coming back, buy some jaggery and feed it to some cow so that your day is good and the upcoming days are blessed with beautiful and amazing energies. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.